I have been shopping at other places. I have to say, I know, I cheated on you, Ulta. I cheated on you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a quick video because I just wanted to tell you guys about Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty sale. Now you guys know I'm an Ulta girl. I love to shop at Ulta, and I recently forgot about it this season. I have been shopping at other places. I have to say, I know, I cheated on you, Ulta. Just kidding. But I can't pass up a good deal, guys. This week, starting August 29th through September 18th, I have the magazine here in front of me. Basically, Ulta has 21 days of beauty, and that means that certain skincare and beauty and makeup items are going to be up to 50% off. Actually, it's not up to, it's actually 50% off, like half off. It's an amazing deal. And so for today's video, I thought I would just give you my recommendations during the Ulta sale, because you guys know I've tried a lot of products, right? You guys know that. And so there are some products that are worth buying, and you can't beat that. High-end products are going to be 50% off. So let's go ahead and get started. On the first week of the sale, so 21 days, 3 weeks worth of sale. And how this works is that only certain items are going to be on sale for that day. So after 24 hours, those things aren't going to be on sale anymore. It's going to be another group of products that are going to be on sale. So if there's something that you want, you have to mark your calendars and just be on top of it. Some products that are high in demand are going to sell out pretty quick, usually before like noontime for that day. So you want to be either at your store opening, or like me, I'm an online shopper, so I shop online and just order them the moment I wake up at 6 a.m. Okay, so the first week is almost done. By the time this video goes live, I think it's gonna be Sunday, unfortunately, in case I get this up sooner. For Saturday, Tula is one of my most favorite brands. Their cleanser is hands down my #1 cleanser. I love it. But this one is their vitamin treatment drops triple vitamin C. So I am curious about that. I would definitely want to try it. It's regularly $48. It's gonna be $24 when it goes on sale. Benefit Cosmetics is a well-known brand. It's all about their brows. Precisely My Brow Pencil and the Waterproof Eyebrow Definer are going to be $12 each, normally $24. So those two items are going to be on sale on September 4th. So that's a Saturday. Oh, look at this, guys. I feel so bad that I missed the Foreo sale. I always get one Foreo for the family. I only need one more for my daughter, but everyone else has a Foreo cleanser, and basically it's just a cleansing device. It deep cleans. It allows you to penetrate your skin 6 times deeper than your hands could, so it's amazing at removing dirt and makeup. I wish I got that, but I missed it. The MAC lipsticks were on sale too for this first week. I was able to get my hands on them, so I did get some of my MAC lipstick favorites. Week 2, guys, of the 21 Days of Beauty. Sunday, September 5th. There's nothing there that I would like. Although, if you are looking for a Retinol Serum, Cosmetics is going to be on sale. It is normally $69 and it's going to be $34.99 during the sale. Now, I don't mind paying a lot of money for serums because they're the ones that are life-changing. They're the ones that actually transform your skin, right? More than the cleansers and the moisturizers. They're the one that kind of, especially retinol skincare, they're the ones that take away the dead skin cells, especially if you have hyperpigmentation, acne scarring, all that stuff. It brightens your skin. So I've personally never tried Cosmetics, but I think it's something that you guys would definitely like. Wednesday, September 8, Mario Badescu Drying Lotion. If you have acne, like myself, I get a lot of acne. The drying lotion is amazing. It has sulfur in it, and it just literally dries up your acne overnight. And if you catch it at the perfect time, it's very effective. The only thing I don't like about it is that it's pink, and so if you have a lot of acne, then you'll have a lot of pink dots. But if you use it at night, that's not a problem, because no one will see you at night, hopefully, right? I mean, other than your family members. Okay, let's see what else. Friday, September 10th, if you are looking for a mascara, Tarte Lights Camera Lashes are going to be on sale. They are one of my favorite mascara. I think they're, at least for my eyelashes, they're very good at lengthening. They are going to be on sale for $11.50, and they are regularly $23, guys. Saturday, September 11th is all about It Cosmetics. I buy foundation and oil-free matte full coverage moisturizer with SPF. Those foundations are going to be on sale, half off, and originally $39.50, and they're going to be $19.75. So what a steal. Okay, It Cosmetics brushes. I am tempted. They are some of the best brushes I've tried. It Cosmetics by Ulta. They have nice packaging. They look very luxe. At the same time, they're very soft and good. They have like foundation brushes from them, powder brushes from them, both full size and travel size brushes. I love them. I love It Cosmetics. Their brushes range from $30 to $60, but during the sale, they're gonna be $15 to $32. Oh, they're actually sets. So you can get a full face of It Cosmetic brushes in case you need to change out your brushes, right? These are kind of the featured brands or products. Last week of the 21 days of beauty sale. If you are into Buxom, on September 13th, their lipsticks or plumping lipsticks are going to be $10 each. First Aid Beauty Cleanser, face cleanser is another fave. It's originally $22. It's gonna be $11 during the sale. Now this First Aid Beauty, I have to warn you, it's kind of a gentle cleanser. If you don't wear makeup, if you don't put on a lot of products on your face, it's gonna be the perfect gentle cleanser for you. But if you have a full face of makeup on, sometimes I feel like it's not the most deep cleaning cleanser. Porefessional, I'm a fan. Benefit Porefessional is going to be on sale, both their regular one and the hydrating one, the illuminating one, or the mattifying one. They came out with so many versions of their Porefessionals. This is on September 16th, originally $32, and it's gonna be $16 each. Okay, this one, I am so tempted, guys. I know how good this palette is. Anastasia's Norvina eyeshadow palette. It's more of a purple palette, but I saw this up close in person, and it's amazing. If you are into pinks and purples, and there's definitely a good amount of neutral shades there, I mean, this palette is for you. It's $45, but it's going to be on sale for $22.50 on Friday, September 15th. I think I'm going to get it. The Kylie Lip Kits, guys. So it's a lip kit because it has the lip liner and the liquid lipsticks in them, and I think they are, it's all types of varieties of the lip kits, certain colors. So I know Kylie has kind of the matte ones and also the semi-matte ones or creams. So definitely check it out. Hopefully you'll find one that you like, and it's a good deal. I mean, it's gonna be originally $29. It's gonna be $14.50, and you'll get a full-size liquid lipstick and also a full-size lip liner, which I think is a steal. That's already drugstore price right there. I don't recommend the mattifying one. They can be a little bit drying, but they have the demi matte one. I forgot what she calls it actually, but that one is a good one. It's not drying at all on the lips. So check that out, September 18th. And then Clarence, this is a first time deal at Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty. Like, Clarence is another skincare that I really want to get into. I think I've gotten their kind of lip oil. It was like a liquid lipstick. It was very velvety and more like moussey consistency, but it was so great. It acted more like a lip stain on the lips, but super pigmented. Anyways, this time they're gonna have an SPF Day Cream, and I have been wanting to try like more high-end moisturizers or creams for the day, which means it has that SPF added to it. And honestly, the SPF I've been using is by Olay, and it's okay, but it's only SPF 15. I need one that's stronger. This is gonna be $27.50 on the day of the sale, but normally it's $64. See, I told you, Clarence is expensive. It's expensive. And here are the highlighted products for week 3. That is it, guys, for the 21 Days of Beauty sale. So check the sale daily. Now, if you have the Ulta app, there are certain deals for platinum members, and yes, I am a platinum member, but their deals can't be beat, so I go there often. There are also certain surprise deals, so you want to check the sale daily because the surprise deals are usually amazing. So it's not something that's going to be in this magazine or on the website. It will just pop up on the day of, and so if that's a product that you like, you need to go for it and just get it. Hey guys, so I just wanted to add some other products that weren't on the magazine but are on the Ulta app. So here it goes. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews. And also, guys, I have a giveaway going on right now. Definitely check it out. It is a triple collab with my girls Vanessa Beauty and Jackie Naturals. Check out our videos, see how to enter, watch these videos here, or here. It's gonna be a Fabfitfun mystery box giveaway, so definitely check out those videos. And with that said, I hope you guys are having a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.